How to log out Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to log out of your Instagram account, you can open up Instagram here and you can currently see that I'm logged into my account. So if I would like to log out, what I need to do is to just tap the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen here and then come to the profile page. Once I'm on the profile page, what I need to do is you're most likely going to find the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. So tap the three lines option from the top right here, and once you do that, scroll down all the way to the very bottom and you'll find the option called logout of all accounts or log out of this account. So you can simply select that option, choose the option called logout, and you will get successfully logged out. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log out of Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.